let's assume that we have kind of an interior. Let's say it's a really very spacious, beautiful interior, and we have a horizon line here. On the horizon line we have a vanishing point VP, let's call it, and this is a very simple concept of one-point perspective. If you don't know yet, I have a free perspective video course for complete beginners where I break down concept of 1 and 2-point perspective. So, and in this interior, sometimes you want to enliven it with human figures. So please let me do something a little bit more complicated in terms of interior. So let's say that this is a lovely, maybe Italian palazzo, something like that. So let me really quickly show some arcs maybe. So beautiful interior, that's what we have in here. And let's say we want to enliven this interior. So maybe we having kind of an event here and we want to present it to our customers. So the drawing is beautiful, but we want to make it more lively, so to say. How can we do it? Of course, drawing human figures is one of the best things to do. So when drawing a human figure in interior, you really want to be very schematic. So you don't want to go very academic and drawing kind of David head, right, like by Michelangelo. You want to be really very schematic. So for the scale, I'll draw here a tabletop. So if it is a square table, let's say, then we will definitely use our vanishing point. So let's say we have a square table here. We want to find its midpoint by drawing 2 diagonals and a vertical line to show its sporty flag. Okay, so now we can see that we have a human and a table. So what is happening when our figures are spread throughout the room and they're farther from us? So the trick is, and it's really cool guys, so the trick is that their head stays actually at the same horizon line, HL, and their body height decreases. So let's say this is the second figure, so you can see that it's standing actually a little bit farther from us. And in terms of table, let's do it again for the scale. Let's say maybe this is not a square table but an ellipse. So how we do ellipse? We draw some additional lines and we draw in this circle. Let me break it down for you a little bit closer. So this is our square table. We draw 2 diagonal lines. This is the point of intersection, okay? And then this is our vanishing point, VP. And we draw 2 extra lines through this point. And all we have to do now is to draw nice ellipse in this form. That's so funny because I started this tutorial, this live stream as a tutorial on drawing a human figure in interior sketch, and I end up explaining you the concept of drawing an oval. That's so funny. All right, so back to our humans. Let's say that this is a square, an oval form, an ellipse, and let's say that we want to make our figure maybe even smaller. So the farther it is from us, the less details we can see. So here we can draw, for example, its hand. Maybe we can draw a little bit of details, but actually it's not necessary, especially for the architecture and interior sketch. But please remember that the farther figures from us, or objects, any objects, furniture, the less details we can see. So this is the biggest concept of perspective. Okay, and let's draw another guy maybe here to the front. So you can see that I'm really very schematic here. Let's say maybe it have its suitcase, and here is his table. Another very important point I want to make, that the closer the tabletops to the actual horizon line, the flatter they appear. So look at this table, how it opens, right? And look, compared with this one, which is almost flat. And maybe you've seen this simple scheme. So let's say this is our horizon line HL, and this is an ellipse like far away from it. And the closer this ellipse to this line, the flatter it will appear. Okay, the same with the ellipse above the horizon line. So the
Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your creative friends, maybe on Facebook, on social media. And at the very end, I want to invite you to join my free, completely free online challenge. It's a mini course on perspective drawing. So if you are an interior designer or interior design student, it would be great for you. So direct link is in the description box below. So see you there. Bye for now. And of course, my dear friends, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.